Dolphin. Dolphins are marine mammals that are closely related to whales. They breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. There are almost 40 species of dolphin, and they're found worldwide, mostly in shallow waters. Dolphins are carnivores, mostly eating fish and squid. Dolphins are considered to be amongst the most intelligent of animals. They are friendly, extremely playful, and are also easy to train. These qualities have made them a favorite of many people. Most dolphins have a long lifespan, and it is estimated that some may have lived for more than 100 years.